Good morning all. In this lesson, we will show you an alternative plugin called Yoast. The process that we do not show you on video for your convenience are those of the installation of the previous plugin, all-in-one SEO, and the installation of the Yoast SEO that now we show you how to set up. Conceptually, the process is always the same. The important thing is not to use two plugins together. In this lesson, we will show you Yoast because it is trendy and many use it as a plugin. So it will be very useful for you to check how to set it up without uninstalling all-in-one. Now, let's go inside our dashboard. Click on Bortolete and we will see our dashboard. Let's look for plugins on the left. Here, we will click Add New function. And we are looking for our Yoast. In this case, we will search for the Yoast SEO and then write it here on the search bar. The plugin we are looking for is this that you see here indicated. Like the previous one, we had already installed it for your convenience. Here, you will click Install Now, and once the installation is completed, click here on the Activate item to activate it. Also, this plugin, just like the all-in-one SEO, once activated, it creates on the left navigation menu called SEO, and there you will see here in the bottom left, the first item to be explored is search appearance. This brings us to the general section. In this section, we need to enable force rewrite title as I am doing right now. Here, enable it. Now let's move to the home page box. Let's open it by clicking here and search for the SEO title box. Click and enter. Now let's delete all the entries except for the item title. Once this is done, we can update the changes by clicking Update. Now let's go back to the main menu. Let's go to the SEO, Search Appearance, and then Content Type. Let's go to Set Pages and Post. Click this to visualize the content of the box. Obviously, we don't have a blog on this website. Just like the previous lesson, we check only pages, remain the rest of these settings you see on the screen, and as for the home in the SEO box in title, delete everything except the item title. Now, all the other sections that we see below, we have to expand them one by one. I'm going to select for each of them No for the item show in search results. In short, the final situation is that we have enabled pages and articles to let spiders read them and not other components in order to avoid reading codes that are not useful for SEO. Done in this each sections, here are the bottom of the page. Click on the Save Changes. Now let's move on to the taxonomy section. The goal is to avoid them, so we have to enter No on all the options of Show in Search Result. This operation, which in fact I have already done for your convenience, provides precisely to open the sections one by one to set in the preference with which we ask to avoid in any taxonomy. Once you have excluded the reading of taxonomies from all the sections, always at the bottom of the page, click the Save Changes button. The changes have been saved. Similarly to all-in-one in Yoast, we can see the final sitemap in the general section. From here, we click on the feature. So we will click here, look for feature. Under XML sitemap, by clicking on the question mark where we will have the opportunity to see our updated sitemap with See the XML sitemap. Now, I don't need to see my sitemap because I know that there are only two pages, the home page and the template SEO page that we had created together previously. On the other hand, our WordPress is finally ready. We have seen together how to prepare the template SEO page to correctly manage tags like H1, H2, and paragraph through placeholders. We have activated the importer and the admin SEO to prepare ourselves to welcome the project that we are going to write in XML. We have finally activated the plugins that is useful to manage the sitemap, the missing tags of our future pages. And for the missing, I refer to meta title and meta description. Now we are ready to deal in writing XML project, which is the true innovation of our course. In the next lesson, we will begin to understand how to make the most of the wizard to get a complete project starting from the choice of our strategies. Thank you for your attention. See you on our next lesson. Ciao.